My dear viewers, welcome back to Busy from Germany. I'm Busy from Germany, and today I'd like to show you how we reattach this talking Barbie leg again, and we put the head back on and give her a new lovely ponytail. So now let's start our journey. For our Talking Barbie repair, we need here the Talking Barbie leg. We put the rest aside. And we have here the missing part of the hip joint that we need first to repair here. So let's put the leg in a bowl with hot water first. The rubber has to become soft so that we can get the part out of the leg. The leg is now soft enough that we can get the missing part out here. Let's try to get it out. Ooh. I have to find it. Oh, there it is. And now I put the rubber back again. So we have this part out. I have already prepared several things here. I'd like to start with cleaning the legs before we do the repair, because she has dirty legs. So let's start here. I used a lot of Q-tips and one of my little sponges to clean the arms. So that was a lot of dirt that came off, don't you think? We have some Q-tips left that we put over in this corner. I think I'm going to throw them away. And don't assume you don't want them as a memory of the repair. So let's throw them away, and then let's start putting the hip knot back on the hip. I got myself a little bit of MEK in my MEK jar. And now let's start Now we have to wait a little moment to start the process. We put this little thing back. And we want to make sure that this really melts together. So before we reattach the leg, I'd like to start the Barbie head. Something with a wire here. now let's comb the hair a bit. It's a bit messy. And you can see this one also has a bald head. It's just rooted on the outer ring here. I have here my little orthodontics elastics, and we at least have to use 3 of them. Original is looking like this, and that's what I want to reproduce here. And that's why we need 3. So the first go starts. Let's see. Number 2 will be here. And number 3 will be down here. And the end. Some. And now I want to give her the ribbons back. And I have already ordered something. I don't have it in pink here, but I have at least white. Let's use white for our Talking Barbie. At least she has her ribbons back. So let's put this aside. And now let's come to Talking Barbie's leg. I know you want to see me doing this. Time for Talking Barbie's leg. Now, let's soften the leg and grab the towel. Let's try to reattach the leg again. So So the rubber is soft, but not dry yet. So now let's try it and push it back on. And here we have it. Yay! So far successful. And now let's push the head back on. Yay! And another success. So Talking Barbie was successfully repaired today. Yeah! We can manage it! My dear viewers, here she is, our repaired Talking Barbie. We have put her leg back on and we have restyled her hair. What I didn't want to do is to open the body and repair the mechanism. So this is a lovely doll and she should stay in the condition she is. And I hope you like my little video. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. See you very, very soon. Your Visibee from Germany. Bye! My dear